To add sleeping apps in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find device care, and then tap device care. Select battery and then select power management. Tap sleeping apps. To add apps, tap add apps and then select application you want to sleep, for example calculator and calendar, and then tap add. These apps will not run in the background. They may not receive updates or send notification. Tap add to add and then select app you want. For example, and then tap add. This app would not want to run in the background. They may not receive updates or send notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.